in this video, I'm going to teach you how to top up USDT wallet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I want to make it very clear that there are plenty of wallets where you will be able to manage your USDT balance. In this video, I'm using the Trust wallet as an example, but you can also hold USDT on Binance, Coinbase, and various other services. The Trust wallet is only one option among many, and it's the one that I'm using as an example. You can apply the same logic and the same instructions that I give you in this video for other wallets as well. So the basic principle is that you have to set up a USDT or Tether compatible wallet. On Trust, you can tap on this icon at the top right and look through the tokens. In here, you can enable various different USDT tokens, so Polygon, Tron, Ethereum, and so on. Find a specific one that you would like to enable and then tap on this toggle here at the right. The process might be similar for other wallets. They can either have the token already available or you might need to enable it on your account, but after it has been enabled, it is going to appear here on the home screen as a crypto, so as a token. You can tap on this specific crypto asset to see the details about USDT. By default, you will be holding 0 on your balance, and you have the main options: send, receive, buy, and sell. To top up, you need to either receive or buy USDT. If you choose receive, you will be given a wallet address that you can copy and share with other people or use in other wallets. This will allow you to bring USDT into this wallet. So you use this when you want to receive USDT on your Trust wallet. Alternatively, if you aren't going to be sending USDT from another place, another exchange, you have to buy it. Each exchange will have their own rates and their own payment methods, but most of them should give you access to basic buy functionalities. You tap buy, you choose from the payment methods, input how much you want to purchase, and you will be able to get it done. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.